But what was his contribution? Before Narendra Modi took over as a chief minister, these all three were doing very well. Modi didn't speak anything about the Seva, which has worked very hard for women empowerment in Gujarat. The entire world has appreciated the work of Seva.
No, why have most commentators said that Modi Mr. Gohil, Mr. Gohil, why have
5% from a one family
Mr. Gohil,
self-immolation? Modi didn't have time to go and ask them.
No, Mr. Gohil, as a Congress leader, I don't.
Pandya's widow are running from pillar to post.
Mr. Gohil, as a Congress leader,
your party's minister's wife. What is your governance? If your governance is very good during the election, why you didn't speak about your development? Again, you went back. Arnav, you have followed Gujarat election.
1 second.
Whenever there is an election in Gujarat, Modi never speak about his development.
Did you speak about 2002? Did you speak about 2002 in this election?
The name of religion.
Did you speak about 2002 in this election? Did you speak about 2002 in this election?
What is his development plan?
No, but did you?
Very good at
governance. The Gujarat elections was all about development.
1 second.
What is this?
Did you? Devang Nanavati to Shakti Singh Goyal, please. Yes, please, Devang.
The elections of 2012 were all about development, and Mr. Gohil and his party badly lost that election. That is a fact. What are you now crying on spilt milk? The proof of the pudding lies in eating it, and we've already eaten it. It's already gone. And secondly, on the Shakti Bhai, please learn patiently to at least listen to me. Please, you had your chance. Let me at least answer you. Now, coming on the second point of Lokayuk, the Lokayuk bill has already been passed. It has been sent for the governor's assent, and it is exactly majority based on the Lokpal bill. It is even the chief minister is included, whereas the Congress party has not included the prime minister.
Gentlemen, I get a sense.
What are we talking about?
Gentlemen, I get a sense Modi is dying to take on Rahul Gandhi. No, 1 second. 1 second. Smriti, Vinod Mehta says.
Anything. Mr. Modi is trying to do service to the state of Gujarat and the country.
Mr. Devang Nanavati.
And Gujarat is a part of India.
Mr. Nanavati, don't give me that theoretical line.
There is no shy in any. No, and there is no shy in anybody in BJP acknowledging that Mr. Modi is one of the possible likely candidates to lead BJP in the general election.
Out of how many?
But there is a process within the party which will take out of, let us say, all BJP workers, including me and Smriti, Smriti and me. But that there is a process for that. There is a process for that, and you must wait for that process to end. And
Vinod Mehta,
process to happen.
No, Mr. Vinod Mehta raises an important question.
That nobody else can.
Devang, 1 minute, please. Devang, don't get so. See, Devang, the question is very. Vinod Mehta raises a question. I want Smriti to come in, and then his favorite debating partner Sankarshan can take. Her favorite debating partner Sankarshan can take over, and Subramaniam Swamy can respond. He asks a question. He says, Vinod Mehta says, don't meander, come straight to the point. Point is, can the country have a leader like Narendra Modi? Now, Smriti, I found this Jassubai ke pizza comment very interesting, which he makes. By the way, people can watch the speech at 11 o'clock, where he says Jassubai is not like Kalavati. Kalavati obviously being the reference to the lady, who Rahul Gandhi referred to in Parliament. I get a sense from this Jassuben Kalavati reference that Narendra Modi is very eager to take on Rahul Gandhi. Very, very eager. And what does that indicate? What does that indicate? Smriti.
I have to answer 2-3 questions which I heard on your platform, Arnav, so allow me that much.
No, allow this
Mr.
also.
Mehta says that ignore the details. And you call Shankar Sen suddenly one of my favorite debating, for the lack of a word, partner.
Even I am mystified.
Now, the only challenge that I have, the only challenge, Shankar Sen, that I normally have is that when a journalist misrepresents facts, especially about me, I never get an opportunity to rebut and straighten it out on live TV, which I got in News Hour. So that's exactly why I interjected when you lied, at least on behalf of me. With regards to Mr. Mehta's observation that forget about the details, thank you, Mr. Shankar. It's quite difficult to keep a man like you quiet, but then I succeed. With regards to Mr. Mehta, I think that he says ignore the details and look at the bigger picture. But I'm of the belief that God is in the details, and the one detail that everybody is missing here tonight is what Devang has enunciated, that the BJP Parliamentary Board has yet to make an announcement about the Prime Ministerial candidate of the BJP. And as Mr. Swami rightly said, that who will lead the NDA in 2014 is a decision that the NDA will take unanimously.
Now answer my question,
Why
which
no,
is...
no, that is a fact.
No, now answer my question, please.
I'm
One
sure
second.
Mr. Swami can also-
My view
Yeah.
is, Smriti, tell me right or wrong. My view is, Narendra Modi, by this whole juxtaposition of Kalavati and Jasubai, is an intentional dig at Rahul Gandhi. Why before the
it's a
FICCI
dig
Ladies
at the
Organization
media.
would you be taking direct hits at Rahul Gandhi by juxtaposing
Or no, it's a
Jasubai and
dig at the
Kalavati?
media.
Really? Really, media?
It's a dig at the media. Yes. That the media will descend and find Jasuben
No.
to facilitate their hunt.
Did he make the
specifics about Jasuben.
did he juxtapose
But
Kalavati
what
and
you all
Jasuben or
missed,
not?
what you all missed,
No, did he
In his
juxtapose
speech.
Kalavati or Jasuben or not? Or did the media juxtapose it? Who made the
he was
Kalavati
very
reference?
specific in what he said.
No, why did he refer
was
to
very
Kalavati?
Specific in what he was very specific as to why he referred to Kalavati.
The
that
wha-
the media
so-
will descend in
No,
Gujarat,
no.
hunting for one Jasuben.
Why did
and
he-
hence he highlighted where Jasuben currently is.
This is positioning. He's
He
positioning
was
himself
extremely,
opposite
he was
Rahul
extremely
Gandhi.
specific in what he
He's-
said.
he's
but
positioning
what you are
himself.
what you are deliberately
I am not.
highlighting is the fact that he. Let me finish. Then you will know what you are not highlighting.
Well, you can see the whole speech tonight.
I've seen it. That's what I'm saying. What
Yeah.
I'm about to
Can
say.
I am
Mr.
asking.
Modi has
But
said.
can I say something here?
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Can I say
Arnab-
something here?
Can I say something here?
Sankarshan first.
Since people get all kinds of chances to rebut, since Smriti is so interested in the detail, I was just wondering whether the absence of an apology on thousands of people dying on someone's watch is a matter of detail or not in Gujarat.
Okay, point taken. Point taken.
I was
Just a
referring
small point, small
to Shankar
detail.
Sen. If you want to take a swing at me, let me finish then. If you want to allow Shankar Sen to take a swing at me, Arnab, allow me to rebut. Okay? Since Shankar Sen wants to look at how fair play is undertaken in this country, I'm sure, Mr. Shankar Sen, you will find that Modi
don't
is the
talk about
only
fair play in
politician in this
Gujarat,
nation.
please.
Let me finish. I thought you were not the Congress spokesperson. Then how dare you sit in judgment as a congressman on this channel tonight?
Please finish. It is
Mr.
not a
Modi is
congressman's
the
job.
only
I'm just doing
politician
my
who
job
has-
as a journalist.
So let me
we
finish.
Have covered
Let me
we have
finish.
covered the riots in 2002 and we have
finish.
seen what your government did.
Let me
we have seen what the
finish.
Modi government
Otherwise
did.
the 100 crore club will be
They were
tweeting to
presiding
me
over murder.
that kindly do
They were
not repeat
presiding
the
over
phrase, let
murder
me
in
finish.
2002. And he does not wear a
Let me
cap.
finish.
He is a
That's precisely my point.
Your leader
That
is an
Mr.
architect of
Shankar Sen
fracture.
is knowingly
Your leader is an
misrepresenting
architect of
facts
fracture.
so that his lies can get him another invitation to another
What
news
facts?
channel so that he could debate. If you want to
No, one
deliberate
second.
on facts, sir,
Oh, God,
allow me
please.
to articulate the facts on Times Now.
No, 1 second.
This
Please,
is
let's not.
pathetic.
You
This
see,
is-
I only
Unless
asked-
the intention is to sensationalize
I
enough so
simply
that
asked
you
the
can come on
question.
another channel.
I refuse to engage with this petty argumentation.
You refuse to engage with the facts and you want to just talk about
My question
lies
is on
and
a, my
half-truths?
question is on
What
a
are the
broader.
Then as an
Let's talk
editor,
about the facts,
I think you're
Smriti
doing a
Irani.
great disservice to your newspaper and your profession.
1 second. Smriti Irani and
Please do not
Shankar
teach me
Shen.
journalism. Please do not
No,
teach me
Mr.
journalism.
Goswami, allow me to
Please do not teach me
answer.
journalism.
Smriti Irani and
a lot of you come to the
I am
TV
not
channels
teaching you
and start
journalism.
think it is your job
I'm
to
not
start
teaching you journalism,
to
sir.
journalists. I'm
But
sorry.
please do
I'm
not
going to
lie
take
on
any lessons in
national
journalism
TV
from you.
and allow me to complete my
What is a
version.
lie? I just
Which is
said
steeped in
there
the
has been
truth.
no apology for so many deaths.
What has
on
Modi
a
said?
certain person.
That
What?
don't make do
Where
with
is
an
the lie in this?
apology. What has Modi said? Don't make do with an apology. If you find a single
you-
shred of evidence against him,
Sure.
hang him in public.
No, the question is this.
What do you mean
One
sure?
sec- one
You are
second.
telling me that you are casting
Smriti,
Arnab,
Smriti and
you
one
are
second,
allowing
1 minute.
Shankar
Can I
Sen
please
to
come
cast
in between?
aspersions
No, 1
on
minute.
a Supreme Court
Come.
directed investigation? Are you telling me Shankar
You
Sen
see-
is more wise than the Supreme
You
Court of
see, I
India?
raise a question here now. Smriti, 1 minute, please. Please, I request you. It's a very passionate debate.
If
but
Shankar Sen wants to discuss riots, I am more than happy to do it.
Smriti Irani, I
But
request
get a
you.
Congress
Can I come in?
spokesperson who will talk about riots from 1947
There is a
onwards
congressperson
to
on the panel.
2013.
Now the question is this, Smriti. 1 minute, please. You see, here's an observation. I go to Subramaniam
can I
Swamy.
come in?
1 minute, Devang, I'll come to you. I just want to give equal
No,
time.
Arnab, I want to come in.
I will bring you in, but Subramaniam Swamy is
Yeah, but
completely
Arnab, I want to
excluded at
answer
this
your
moment.
question,
Let
which
me
was
get him
left
in, then I'm
unanswered.
coming back to you. The question,
Arnab,
just because he's...
I just want to put one thing in perspective.
Can
It
you?
is on NewsHour last week that you had a Congress spokesperson come up and say that talking about 2002 is a part of our strategy because we cannot discuss issues of governance and development. And that strategy is what certain journalists and enlightened people on your show tonight are trying to highlight.
So
and
the
support.
Smriti Irani, the National Vice President of the BJP, is making an accusation that a certain group of people... Smriti Irani, 1 minute. Smriti Irani is saying a certain
was-
group of people.
Arnab,
1
I'm a
minute,
news
Smriti, let the
watcher.
others come in. The argument is being put forth. I want to go to Shakti Singh Goyal.
And that is why she is
Smriti-
not allowing others to speak.
1 minute. Shakti Singh Goyal. The charge being made here is a certain industry of people who did not question the Congress when it did not raise 2002 in the last state elections in Gujarat is picking up 2002 right now because it feels Narendra Modi's got, as I think Vinod Mehta said, he's got a bit of the tailwind right now.